Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another exciting episode where we explore the cutting-edge world of technology. I'm Sals, and today we're diving into the future of Wi-Fi security. This is a topic that's becoming increasingly important as our world becomes more connected. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a security professional, or just someone curious about how to keep your data safe, you're in the right place. We've got a lot to cover, so let's get started. I'm revealing the top 10 secret Wi-Fi hacking tools hackers are using in 2026. These are the latest, most advanced tools out there. You'll be amazed at what's possible with today's technology. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only, so you can protect yourself and your networks. We do not condone any illegal activities. Let's jump in and see what's powering the next generation of Wi-Fi hacking. From sophisticated software to advanced hardware, we'll explore it all. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this. Let's kick things off with Aircrack-NG, the OG Wi-Fi password cracker that's only gotten sharper over the years. First released in the early 2000s, Aircrack-NG quickly became the go-to tool for security professionals and hackers alike, thanks to its reliability and open-source nature. It's a name that's practically synonymous with Wi-Fi security testing, and for good reason. It's been at the forefront of wireless network auditing for decades. The 2026 version is a true powerhouse, harnessing advanced algorithms and fully leveraging the raw power of multi-core CPUs and GPUs for mind-blowing cracking speeds. Even the latest Wi-Fi security protocols like WPA3 are no longer out of reach. With hardware acceleration and optimized code, Aircrack-NG can process massive amounts of data in record time, making it a formidable tool for both penetration testers and cybercriminals. One of its standout features is dynamic protocol adaptation, which means it can automatically adjust its attack methods based on the target network's defenses. Enhanced handshake capturing techniques make brute force and dictionary attacks more efficient than ever, allowing users to break into networks that were once considered secure. The interface has also evolved, offering intuitive dashboards and real-time feedback for both beginners and experts. The open-source community is the lifeblood of Aircrack-NG. Developers from around the world contribute constant updates, bug fixes, and innovative plugins, ensuring the tool stays ahead of the curve. This collaborative spirit means new features are added regularly, and vulnerabilities are patched quickly, making Aircrack-NG a living, breathing project that adapts to the ever-changing landscape of Wi-Fi security. But with great power comes great responsibility. Aircrack-NG's transparency and accessibility are a double-edged sword. While defenders use it to secure networks and educate users, hackers can exploit the same features to find weaknesses. This ongoing cat-and-mouse game keeps both sides on their toes, driving innovation and vigilance in the cybersecurity world. If you're serious about Wi-Fi security, whether you're defending your own network or testing others, Aircrack-NG remains an essential tool in your arsenal. Its legacy continues, stronger than ever. Wireshark 2026 is the gold standard for packet analysis, now supercharged with AI. Deep learning models flag suspicious traffic in real time, no manual filters needed. Cloud-based analysis offloads heavy tasks, and the customizable UI fits any workflow. Forensics are easier than ever. Reconstruct data streams, visualize activity, and spot encrypted tunnels. Both attackers and defenders rely on Wireshark for network visibility. Mastering it is a must for anyone in Wi-Fi security. Fluxion X automates social engineering attacks to steal Wi-Fi credentials. It sets up a fake access point and tricks users into entering their passwords on a convincing login page. The 2026 version automates everything, from rogue AP setup to AI-customized phishing portals. Attackers target everything from home routers to enterprise networks, with alarming success rates. Logs and audit trails make campaigns easy to track. This tool proves that user education is just as important as technical defenses. Bettercap's 2026 update brings powerful wireless modules for intercepting, modifying, and injecting packets. Attackers can monitor, deauthenticate, and inject payloads into Wi-Fi traffic with ease. The new scripting engine and user-friendly interface automate attacks and monitoring. Real-time dashboards visualize attacks, and IoT device scanning opens up new targets. Both red and blue teams use Bettercap for rapid testing and defense. It's a must-know tool for understanding wireless manipulation. Kismet Ultra uncovers even the most hidden wireless networks in 2026. Advanced RF scanning and machine learning detect stealthy and rogue access points. Real-time anomaly alerts and geolocation mapping make site surveys and forensics easier. Robust reporting features provide detailed logs and visual maps. Attackers have to work harder to stay hidden. Kismet Ultra is raising the bar for wireless network detection. Hashcat Pro is all about raw password cracking power, especially against WPA3. Massive GPU clusters and distributed cracking tear through hashes at unprecedented speeds. Optimized attack modes and AI-generated password lists adapt on the fly. Even patched networks aren't safe if they rely only on strong passwords. Hashcat Pro proves no protocol is invincible. Layered defenses are key. Stay proactive with updates and monitoring. Wifite 3.0 automates attacks on multiple networks at once, maximizing efficiency. Its intelligence system analyzes environments and switches tactics in real time. Attackers set it up, hit go, and let it handle everything. Detailed logs and cloud integration make analysis and backup seamless. Automation is a double-edged sword. It streamlines testing but also scales attacks. Wifite 3.0 is a game changer for both attackers and defenders. Reborn targets Wi-Fi Protected Setup, WPS, still common in 2026. It bypasses modern router protections with advanced timing attacks and AI-assisted brute forcing. Stealth mode randomizes attacks to evade detection. Auto-detection of vulnerable routers lets attackers prioritize targets. The streamlined interface lowers the barrier for entry. Reborn shows that old vulnerabilities can be deadly with new tech. EvilAP 2026 creates fake access points that perfectly mimic real networks. It clones SSIDs, MACs, and security settings, making it nearly impossible to spot. Automated credential harvesting and malware injection happen the moment users connect. AI-driven targeting prioritizes high-value devices and adapts phishing content. Remote work makes this threat even more dangerous. Always double-check public Wi-Fi. EvilAP could be lurking. NetHunter 2026 turns your smartphone into a portable Wi-Fi hacking powerhouse. It supports advanced attacks, handshake capture, password cracking, EvilAP deployment, all from your phone. Cloud integration offloads heavy tasks, so you're not limited by hardware. The polished interface makes complex attacks accessible with a few taps. Security pros can test networks anywhere. Hackers blend in easily. NetHunter blurs the line between mobile and desktop security tools. That wraps up our deep dive into the top 10 secret Wi-Fi hacking tools of 2026. We've explored some of the most advanced and surprising techniques that hackers are using right now, and hopefully, you've gained valuable insight into how these tools work and what makes them so effective. Understanding the risks is the first step toward building a stronger defense for your own networks and devices. Remember, this video is all about raising awareness. Knowing about these tools isn't just interesting, it's essential for anyone who wants to protect their digital life. By staying informed, you're already ahead of many potential threats. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to spot suspicious activity and respond quickly if something seems off. Wi-Fi security is always evolving, and so are the tactics used by cybercriminals. That's why it's so important to stay informed and proactive. Make it a habit to read up on the latest security news, follow trusted cybersecurity experts, and keep an eye out for new vulnerabilities or threats that might affect your home or business networks. To keep your Wi-Fi safe, always update your router's firmware as soon as updates are available. Use strong and unique passwords for all your devices and be cautious when connecting to unfamiliar or public networks. Consider enabling two-factor authentication wherever possible and regularly review your network for unknown devices. These simple steps can make a huge difference in keeping your information secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling us which tool surprised you the most or what security tip you plan to use. Your feedback helps us create even better content, and we love hearing your thoughts and experiences. Plus, subscribing ensures you never miss our latest updates on digital security. Thanks so much for watching. Your commitment to learning about cybersecurity makes the entire online community safer. Stay secure, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions or want to see more topics like this, let us know in the comments. Stay safe out there.